Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best Kids Chucky Halloween costume on the market. Whether you're a fan of classic horror or just looking for something to wow at this year's Halloween party, this costume promises to deliver both scares and style. Let's jump right in. The Chucky Halloween costume has been a staple for those who want to embrace the spooky season with a twist of nostalgia. Known for its iconic look inspired by the notorious doll from the Child's Play series, this costume captures every detail that makes Chucky so chillingly memorable. Starting with the design, this costume doesn't hold back. It includes the signature striped shirt and overalls combo that's instantly recognizable. The fabric is durable yet comfortable, ensuring your little one can wear it all night without any discomfort. The attention to detail extends to the mask, which mirrors Chucky's menacing grin and wild red hair, adding an extra layer of authenticity to the ensemble. Available in various sizes, from small to extra large, this costume caters to kids of different ages and sizes. It's important to note the sizing chart provided by the manufacturer to ensure the perfect fit, especially with costumes where comfort and mobility are key during those trick-or-treating adventures. What's a Chucky costume without the finishing touches? This set comes with everything your child needs to complete the look, from the knife prop to the eerie makeup kit. These accessories are designed to enhance the scare factor while maintaining safety and ease of use. Beyond Halloween night, this costume is versatile enough for themed parties, cosplay events, or even just a fun dress-up day at home. Its durability means it can withstand multiple uses without losing its impact or charm. So, what sets this Chucky costume apart from others on the market? It's not just about the look, although it nails that perfectly, it's also about the quality and attention to detail that ensures both kids and parents alike can appreciate the value it brings. In conclusion, if you're looking to make a statement this Halloween and bring a bit of horror movie magic to life, the Chucky Halloween costume we've reviewed here today is a top contender. With its high ratings and satisfied customers, it's clear why this costume has earned its spot as a fan favorite. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and current pricing. And if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on products just like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay spooky.